Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting in Quarantine. My name is Dabney. I'm the young adult librarian at the Twin Lakes Library System and I use they, them pronouns. So I have been sick at home for like almost a week and I haven't gone anywhere, and if I sound weird, that is why, but I'm almost better. I'm so excited. So today's craft is going to be probably very short. I was kind of looking for something easy and simple to show you all while I'm still kind of like recuperating. But anyways, once again, Happy New Year. Um, Happy 2021. I'm excited to be here with you all. I'm excited that Baz is with us as well. If you remember, like in our very first video way back in April, I brought Baz home with me from the library and he's been great company with me and the cats here. All right, so our craft for today is we are making an oil and water sensory bottle. And the reason we're doing this is because I recently used up some honey and I saved this little bear jar because it's super cute and I didn't know like what I was gonna do with it. I had a couple ideas. So I love to put things in jars. If you watched any of the craft videos, you're like, how many jars does Dabney have? And the answer is a lot. So like this is one we did where we colored, I think this is salt, like Epsom salts. We colored it with colored chalk and made this little cute rainbow pendant thing. So, you know, that's something you could put in your jar. I thought about putting like colored beads in here, like finding some that were kind of honey colored and putting them in there. This is another jar I have of like origami puff stars, you know, you could put in here. I just love doing crafts with jars. You know, it's fun. So we're going to make this, and I haven't done it before, so we'll see how it turns out. I originally had thought about making slime, but, you know, I didn't have any clear glue, and I didn't really want to do, like, white glue in this. I thought, even with food coloring, I wanted it to be something that's, like, opaque looking anyways. So that's why we're going to try this out. So you will need 4 things. You'll need some oil. I'm using vegetable oil because that's what I have a lot of. The instructions online said you could use whatever kind of oil you wanted. Got some water. Got some different food coloring. I think I'm just going to stick to yellow, but I've read just in case. And your jar. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this down. And first of all, we're going to fill this halfway with water, or thereabouts. If you have a funnel, that would probably help if you're concerned about making a mess. And then we're going to pour in our oil about halfway. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, see, I did spill oil. I was like, I could do this without spilling it, and I totally... gross. That's okay. Alright, and now we're going to try to put in the food coloring. If I can open this. This is old food coloring. Now I have food coloring on my hands. I'm making a mess, and I thought I wouldn't. Alright, so we're going to put in, how about 4 drops of food coloring? Why not? That's kind of cool looking. Oily hands. Alright, we're going to screw on the top. So there's our food coloring just kind of hanging out. And shake. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. So it said it would get kind of bubbly looking. I wanted this to look like honey, and it kind of does. And so really the point of this craft, like it's a sensory craft, so you know, you're getting to enjoy the colors, and I'm assuming if we just let this be, it'll separate back into its component parts, and then you can shake it up again. So in that way, it's sort of like a snow globe. I'm assuming like uh let's put some other colors in there actually and see what happens. But I was thinking like you could put other colors in there. You could probably put glitter in here. I don't see why not. And maybe you have this stuff at home, like easily available. Um, and in that case, if you already have it, it's like a pretty cheap craft you can do. It doesn't require a whole lot. Okay, so I put some red in there, screwing this on. Oh no! This looks kind of weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. This is a little bit gross for me, I'll be honest. It makes me think there's like, this could be like a Halloween, bear. I don't know. It reminds me too much of like blood to be comfortable. But, man, you know what? Actually, that is kind of the color of honey. That darker color, sort of. So, I don't know. Maybe I accidentally won. I don't know what I won. I'm just rambling at this point. So that's our craft. Hopefully you can do this at home and make something that's not quite as horrific as this. This is really disturbing me. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in. Sorry that this was super short, but I will see you all on Friday where we will talk about some more manga. All right, bye.